Hi, so I've come out into the woods today, not very far from the River Severn, my old hunting ground, kept to the public footpath, and set my tarp up, as you can see, but it's very windy and I need to adjust my tarp. I had a bit of rain this morning, which the tarp has kept me nice and dry, and I've just cooked myself some kippers with tomatoes, red Leicester cheese, and a bit of butter, salt and pepper, and done it in the old quick silver foil job. So not too bad really. I need to adjust my tarp because it's gone a little bit slack, and need to practice on that more, setting the tarp up. But not a bad morning really. So I'm going to head back very soon, finish off my lunch, and head back to the car. Okay, so hopefully you're all keeping well and safe. I've used a tripod today with my camera, so hopefully that's a little bit more effective. Yeah, so I'll see you all soon. Take care.